great today! Where are my clean white socks? Toby, look at the clock. It is 8 o'clock. You must hurry up. I only have one red sock. My room is a very big mess. Do not cry, Toby. We will find your sock together right now. The yellow bus is leaving. I missed the school bus again today. Do you wake up late in the morning? Tell me in the comments. I hate rushing in the morning. I feel very tired and very hungry. Eat your sandwich quickly. Okay. I will drive you to school in my car. Thanks, Mom. I am eating very fast. I do not like this bad feeling. We need to fix this problem. We will learn about time this afternoon. What do you eat for breakfast? Share your favorite food in the comments. Learn about time? Is time a fun game? I want to know more. Time management is very important. It makes our days easy and very fun. I want easy and fun days. Let us go to school right now. Have a good day at school. See you in the afternoon, my boy. School is finished. I am home. Now I want to learn about time. Welcome home, Toby. Please sit down here. We will make a daily schedule. What is a daily schedule? Oh, it's a way to plan your day. Does it tell me when to play games? A schedule is a plan. It shows what you must do every day. Do we write words or draw pictures? I like drawing very beautiful pictures. You can draw pictures. Whoa! First, what do you do in the early morning? First, I wake up. Then, I brush my teeth and wash my face. I draw a blue toothbrush. Brushing teeth makes my smile very bright today. What color is your toothbrush? Tell me your answer in the comments below. Very good. Next, you eat breakfast. Breakfast gives you energy for the day. I love cereal with cold milk. Then, I put on my clean clothes. In the afternoon, you must do homework. We use the rule first work. Homework takes a long time. I want to play with my toy cars. First work, then play. If you finish homework fast, you can play longer. I understand now. First work, then play. My schedule is a great plan. I am at my desk. I have a lot of math homework today. That robot is very cool. I want to press its shiny red button. No toys on the desk, Toby. Toys are big distractions for your brain. It is hard to focus. I want to play games all day long. We will use this tomato timer. It makes focusing very easy and fun. A tomato timer? How does a small plastic tomato help me do math? I set it for 15 minutes. You write fast until the bell rings. Okay? Do you use a timer to study? Please share your tips down below. 15 minutes is a short time. I will finish my math very fast. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. This is easy. He is doing great. A timer is a perfect tool for every child. Wow! The timer is ringing loudly. My 15 minutes are over right now. I finished all my problems. I stayed focused. I am a time master. Excellent work, Toby. First work, then play. Now you have your free time. Yay! Free time is the best. Doing homework first makes playing more fun. I finished my homework fast. Now I am building a very tall tower. It is almost dinner time, Toby. Look at these blocks. You must clean up. There are so many blocks here. Cleaning up will take a long time. Let us play a game. Can you clean everything in 5 short minutes? A cleaning game? I accept the challenge. I will be very fast today. Red block, blue block, yellow block. I am moving faster than a rocket. Yeah! Do you help clean your room? Write yes or no in the comments. You are doing wonderful, Toby. Only 1 minute left. Keep going fast now. You are doing wonderful, Toby. Only 1 minute left. Keep going fast now. Ring! The game is over. Look at my room. It is very clean. You won the timer game. You managed your time perfectly. I am proud. We have one last task today. We must prepare your bag for tomorrow. Pack my bag now? Why do we do it at night, Mom?
If we pack tonight, you will not rush tomorrow. Mornings will be easy.
I put my shoes here. Tomorrow I will find them very quickly. You had a great day. You followed your schedule. Now sleep well, Toby. Good morning. I slept very well. I am ready to start my day. Let me check my schedule. First, I need to wash my face cleanly. I brush my teeth slowly. I have plenty of time. This is nice. My bag is ready. My shoes are here. I am fully prepared today. Do you like peaceful mornings? Leave a comment to let us know.
Wow, Toby! You are dressed and ready so early. I am very surprised.
I used my schedule, Mom. I do not have to eat fast today.
Time management removes all the stress. We can enjoy a nice breakfast together.
The school bus is here. I am not late. I am exactly on time.
You are a real time master, Toby. Have a wonderful day at school.
Walking to the bus is much better than running. I love my schedule. Goodbye, Mom. I will finish my homework first when I come back home.
Goodbye, my sweet boy. Use your time well. See you in the afternoon. Teaching children to manage time changes their lives. Try these simple steps today.
Thank you for watching our video. Be a time master every single day.